Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the State Eligibility Test 2021 notification, guys. So already this notification released so many days back, and soon this online application is going to close, guys. So it's just like a reminding video to all of you. Why? Because for this State Eligibility Test, you may apply from any state, guys. That means all over the India, you may apply from any state for this one. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the state eligibility test qualification for the selection of assistant professor. So please hurry up for this one, and I'm requesting you to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notification. It will be very much helpful to them, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this set notification. Apply from any state. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a state eligibility test for assistant professorship to be conducted by the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Okay, so that is formerly University of Pune. So this notification released on 17th May 2021, and the last date for applying the online is 10th June 2021 till 6 o'clock. That means only 2 days left, guys. The candidates who did not apply for this one, and the candidates who did not know about this notification, so please share this video as maximum as possible. Why? Because the last date is going to close within the 2 days, guys, and it will be the wonderful opportunity that you may apply from any state from all over the India. You are eligible for this set, guys. Okay, and the candidate should fill up the online application form completely and submit it online, and a printout of the online application form should be written by the candidate itself, and should not be sent to any coordinating centers or the set departments. Okay, just for your reference purpose, you have to keep the printout of the online application form. Okay, and the examination fee for open category, it is 800 rupees including the processing fee, and for all these categories it is a 650 rupees. Fine, and a candidate must keep the printout of application form. Okay, and fee has to be paid by the debit or credit card or else through internet banking, and keep the evidence of your payment also with yourself. Fine, and the list of candidates who have paid the set examination fee on or before the last date will be displayed tentatively in the last week of June 2021 in the same website. And the candidates whose names are missing even after payment of fee, then you should show your evidence for the payment of fee by sending that one to the set support@pun.uni.pune.ac.in. Okay, it is very most important, guys. Once after listing the candidates who paid the examination fee, in that list if your name is not there, then remember this mail ID. You have to send your payment proof to this mail ID. Okay, and the notification as well as the prospectus, each and everything you can, I will show here. So it is a prospectus, guys, regarding the notification of 37th Maharashtra set. And here few contact numbers are also there. If you are facing any difficulty at the time of filling up of the online application form, any technical issues are there, then here the contact numbers are there, and here the website as well as mail ID, and these are all there. Okay, so you may contact any one of this mail ID or else the contact number, guys. And the important dates, as I already shown you, okay, just now, the last date for applying this one is 10th June 2021, and the fee also 10th June 2021. And any corrections are there in your online application form 11th to 19th, and availability of admit card on the website 16th 9, and examination by offline mode 26th 9 2021. Okay, so these are the details regarding this one, guys. And while coming to the remaining details like eligibility and the how many number of subjects are there, okay, what are the subject names, all these things we will see. First one, eligibility, the candidate must have the master's degree recognized by the UGC in a subject of set. The candidates having the PG diploma or else a certificate award by the Indian University. So these candidates also may apply from this one, guys, for this SET. And the candidates other than SC, ST, OBC or SBC, DT, all these candidates have secured at least 55% without rounding in masters or the equivalent qualification, and the candidates who belongs to these categories, at least 50% must be there. And the candidates who are studying in the first year of the 2 years of master's course, or else first 2 semesters of a 4-semester course of master's degree, or else the studying in the 4th year of 5-year integrated master's course, are not eligible to apply for this test. So please note down, this point is very important. These candidates are not eligible. And the candidates who are pursuing their master's degree or else equivalent course, are candidates who have appeared for their qualifying master's degree. So and waiting for the result, these candidates can apply, guys, no problem. And this point is very important. The candidates of other state, that means you may apply from any other state from the India, that is other than Maharashtra and Goa, even though if you belongs to reserved category in your state, but if you are applying for this MH set, you will comes under the general category only. Okay, it is an important point. So if you are ready to apply under the general category, then from any state from all over the India, you may apply for this one, guys. Okay, so candidates can appear for set in the subject of their post graduation only. Okay, and these also points also mentioned here. So commerce candidates can apply for which subjects, okay, and environmental science for apply for which subject, and home science. Okay, these things are mentioned here in the item number 4 on page number 7. And if PG subject of any candidate is not included in the list of the set subject, such candidate can appear for set in related or the equivalent subject also you can appear, guys. Fine. So these are the rules and regulations here. And next, while coming to the what are the different subjects are there. So currently MH set is conducting the total set exam for the 32 subjects. They are Marathi, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Urdu, history, economics, philosophy, and psychology, sociology, political science, defense and strategic studies, home science, library and information science, journalism and mass communication, social work, public administration, mathematical science and environmental science, physical science, chemical science, life science and earth and atmosphere, ocean and planetary science, geography, computer science and application, electronic science, forensic science, commerce, management, law, education and physical education. Fine. So these are the different 32 subjects, guys. If you belongs to post graduation of any one of these subjects, then you may apply for this one, guys. Okay. And the candidates are allowed to appear for only one set subject. You should not apply for the 2 subjects at a time. Okay. If you do like that, your candidature will be cancelled, guys. So for only one subject at a time you can apply. However, the candidates who have already qualified set in one subject will not be appear for the set in the again in the same subject. You should note this one. Okay, and the center of examinations as well as application form is also provided here. So you please click on this one, guys. And for your reference purpose, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. Okay, you may check down. So if you want to apply online application, click on this one, then start applying from this one, guys. Okay. So these are all things. If you have the new registration, then click on this one. Then few more details you have to enter, and from those details you have to get the username as well as the password. With that one, you have to fill up your online application form, guys. Okay. So the candidates who are looking for the state eligibility test from all over the India, whatever the state it might be, this set is eligible, guys. So share this video to your friends or colleagues as maximum as possible. Let the information pass. Why? Because only 2 days the online application is going to close. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things you may decide, and please take the subscription plan guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.